Welcome to the Python programming quiz. This quiz is designed to help you test and improve your understanding of Python basics. This quiz contains 30 multiple choice questions. For each question, you have 5 seconds to guess the correct answer. After the 5 seconds, correct answer will be taken. Let's start the quiz. Question number 1 is, who created Python? Question number 2 is, how do you print hello world in Python? Question number 3 is, which keyword is used to define a function in Python? Question number 4 is, what is the purpose of comments? Question number 5 is, how do you create a single line comment in Python? Question number 6 is, how do you create a multi-line comment in Python? Question number 7 is, what is the purpose of input function? Question number 8 is, how do you assign a value to a variable? Question number 9 is, what are the rules for naming variables? What is the difference between equal and double equal sign in Python? Question number 10 is, how do you check the data type of a variable in Python? Question number 11 is, why is print function used in Python? Next question is, how do you concatenate two strings in Python? Question number 12 is, what is indentation error in Python? Question number 13 is, what is the purpose of if statement? Question number 14 is, how do you write an if statement in Python? Question number 15 is, what is the purpose of else clause? Question number 16 is, what is the purpose of while loop? Question number 17 is, what is the purpose of for loop? Question number 18 is, how do you write a for loop to iterate over a list in Python? Question number 19 is, what is the purpose of append method for lists in Python? Question number 20 is, how do you import a module in Python? Question number 21 is, what is the purpose of random module in Python? Question number 22 is, what is the result of 3 plus 5 multiplied by 2 in Python? Question number 23 is, what is the result of hello plus world in Python? Question number 24 is, which of the following is not a valid data type in Python? Question number 25 is what is the result of Python plus 3? Question number 26 is what is the result of Python dot strip in Python? Question number 27 is what is the result of Python dot upper in Python? Question number 28 is how do you remove an item from a list in Python by value? Question number 29 is what is the result of 3 double steric 2 in Python? Question number 30 is what is the result of Python steric 3 in Python?